Welcome back to the Traveling Happy Hour. I'm Chris.
And I'm Heather. And today is July 5th, the day after July 4th. And we thought it'd be a good idea to come down and make a dirty martini at a dirty bay. But guess what? The bay's not so dirty. It's pretty clean.
Thanks for keeping it classy, San Diego. So we're gonna make up a cocktail. We're gonna pick up some trash. So the Dirty Martini was supposedly created in 1901 by John O'Connor in New York. First he started muddling in an olive and then he moved to the olive brine. So today's cocktail, we're gonna mix it up, is 2.5 ounces of gin. You can either use vodka or gin. We have a 1/2 ounce of dry vermouth and a 1/2 ounce of olive brine. We're going to put some ice cubes. Then we're gonna stir. To dilute it and also to chill it. I didn't chill my glass. Normally you would chill a glass. And then we're gonna strain it. And a garnish. Cheers. Would you like to try your cocktail?
Oh, look at that. Just in time.
Here, I'll take the trash while you're...
Take over?
Yep.
Oh, look at that. It's looking nice and trashy. He is so creative, I swear. I don't know if he explained all this to you. But we've got a bottle cap and a nail, a couple of pieces of things that look like shattered glass. That's pretty cool. All edible, all from our own house. So cleaned. Wow. There is nothing like a dirty martini. Especially when you're at the not so dirty bay.
What do you think of that?
That's delicious. That's so good. A dirty martini is so good. Delicious, honey.
Good.
Another great cocktail.
Well, thank you very much.
Well, we hope you liked our show. If you liked us, make sure you hit the like and subscribe button. And don't forget to hit the bell so that you get to see all of our new videos that pop up. And we hope that you have a really great week next week. And we'll see you next time. Have a happy hour.
Have a happy hour.
Love you.
You have a great one. Bye-bye.
Bye.